Airplane mode isn't just for flights. Most people think airplane mode is only useful while you're on a flight, but if I told you that it could actually extend your battery life and speed up charging and even fix your internet problems. That's right, this underrated feature might just become your new favorite trick. So, the first major use of airplane mode is when your phone battery is running low and you have no charger in sight. Instead of panicking, just switch on the airplane mode immediately and it disables your phone's wireless signals like your mobile networks, Wi Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. This stops the phone from constantly searching for connections, which helps you conserve that last bit of juice until you can plug in. Now, let's say you do have a charger, but you want your phone to charge up faster. Then here's the trick. You need to plug it in and then turn on the airplane mode. Since your phone isn't wasting power searching for signals, it focuses all energy on charging, making the process noticeably quicker. Even if you don't have fast charging enabled, trying to stay focused on work, school, or just need some space or peace, then airplane mode has your back. It blocks all of your incoming calls, your notifications, and distractions, giving you the silence you need without turning off your phone entirely. Here's something most people don't know. Even after turning on the airplane mode, you can still manually enable Wi Fi. So if you need the internet access but want to keep calls and other signals off, it's totally doable. You can turn on your Wi Fi even with your airplane mode on. If you have slow or unstable internet, either on your mobile data or your Wi Fi, you need to toggle the airplane mode on for 10 seconds or for 20 seconds, and it will reset your phone's wireless connections and often fixes network issues instantly. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.